Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again. So today I have a DIY scented candle video for you guys. So if you look at this slide, I have all the things that you need for the candles, your adhesive, the color box that I use that I cut. So if you watch this video properly, you can see that I'm showing you, or I'm giving you a close-up shot of everything that I'm using: the candle wax, the jars, the candle wicks, the popsicle sticks, the essential oils, and the glitter. So now I am just putting the candle wax into a boiling pot of water because I want it to melt, because that's the only way I can make the candles. And now I have a skewer that I'm just using to mix the candles so that they melt properly and everything is properly melted. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to list everything that I used in the description box below, and some of the things you can buy on Amazon, some of the things I already had in my house. So this is the melted candle wax, and don't mind the pot is bubbly because some candle wax got into the pot, but this is the melted candle wax. So what I am doing now is I have an oven mitt on so that I don't pour the hot candle wax on my hand. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab the melted candle wax container thingy from the pot, and I'm going to use tissue to clean it so that there's water doesn't get into my candle, which is what I'm doing now, cleaning the bottom part. And after that, I'm just going to pour the amount that I want into the first jar, which is about half of the jar, and then pour whatever is remaining into the second jar, so that I have 2 jars of candles. So now I'm taking lang lang oil and I'm pouring it into the first jar. I'm pouring about 10 drops into the first jar. And the second jar, I am going to be using grapefruit oil. I used about 11 drops for that one. So there's 11 drops of grapefruit oil into that one. Next, I'm just grabbing the popsicle sticks, which I cut straight so that I can use them as a guard for the candle wicks so that it doesn't keep shaking and my candles become bent. And next, I'm just pouring the glitter that I want into one of my candles because I want that one to have glitter in it. Life is beautiful with glitter. And then now I'm just mixing the glitter into it. But most of the glitter ended up staying on top, but it came out lovely. You guys will see that towards the end of the video. And I'm also doing the same thing here, using the popsicle stick for the video, for the candle. And here is the candles while they were drying. I know there's a strange candle there and you guys are probably wondering, but if you want to see a video with that one or how I made that one, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I will show you how I made that one. So here I'm just showing you guys the dried candles before I cut the wicks off, because the wicks are really long and I don't see the reason why I should have really long wicks on my candles. So here I'm just cutting the wicks off, and my scissors was behaving like something that was possessed, but I still ended up cutting it at the end of the day, and it looks really lovely. And I love the one with the glitter especially, and the pink one. They look very different and very nice. So I'm just cutting it. And guys, if you want to see a video on how I made this big candle, please let me know in the comment section below. This is the final look of the candle. This is what they look like, and I turned them on and I have them in my room, or I have one of them in my room, and trust me guys, it really smells amazing. You want to use my recipe or my I don't know what to call it, but you really want to use it for your candles because you're going to love it. And if you don't love grapefruit or lang lang oil, you can use any oil that you want or any oil that you like. So this is the finished look of my candle. Thank you guys so much for watching.